This was the first part of the experiment, and we have covered all the measurement for the evaporator unit. Similar to that of the evaporator unit, we have the measurement for the condenser unit. Now this is the condenser unit. This is the inlet side of the condenser and back side is the outlet side. Similarly, here is the distribution of the humidity, temperature and wind velocity at the inlet side and at the outlet side of this condenser also. So for measurement purpose, we are again measuring these parameters, and we are starting from the wind velocity. Now we can see that the wind velocity at the inlet side of the condenser is around 1.6. Again, next reading is 1.7. So similarly, we can have such a 9 readings at the different points of the condenser unit. Okay. Next parameter that we need to measure. Next one is the measurement of the humidity at the inlet side of the condenser. So I am again measuring the humidity by using this humidity sensor or hydrometer at the different points. Now you can see that the value of the humidity is around 65, the relative humidity. For the next point, we are again measuring the humidity value. It is also around 65. So similarly, we can measure such a 9 readings and can be tabulated. Okay. And the third experimental parameter is the measurement of the temperature at the inlet side of the condenser. Now this is again digital thermometer. We are measuring temperature in degrees Celsius at the different points. So here it is around 25.3. Again for the next point it is 25.9. So similarly we can have such a 9 readings and we can tabulate it in our observation table. Okay. This side is the outlet part of the condenser unit. Now from this side we can have the measurement of the wind velocity. So here you can observe that wind velocity is around 3 meter per second, and we can note the value of the wind velocity at the different points. Here it is 3.38. So similarly, we can have such a 9 readings at different points of the condenser unit, and we can note it in our table. Next parameter for our outlet side of the condenser is the relative humidity. This is the humidity meter, and by using this probe, we can measure the value of the humidity at the different points of the condenser. You can see that the value of the humidity at this point is around 52 or something. So we can measure this value at the different points, and we can note such a 9 reading for the humidity. Okay. The last parameter at the outlet side of the condenser to be measured is the temperature. So again, by using digital thermometer, we can note the value of the temperature at different location of the condenser. Here we can note that the value is around 29 or 31, right? So at different points we can note the values. So we can here comparatively you can observe that at the outlet side, which is taking heat outside of the condenser unit. So we are observing temperature, and the temperature value is reaching up to 38 or 40 degree also, because this is the exhausting the heat value. So here you can see the value is around noted is 38 or 39 something. So we can note down all these 9 readings of the temperature and can be tabulated. Now finally we can have the 3 different parameters like humidity. 9 readings of the humidity is there, then 9 readings of the temperature is there, and 9 readings of the wind velocity.